Strategy is about creating a clear roadmap to fulfill the vision of the organization. Hi, I am Manish Chaudhary. My role here is Head of Strategy in Extramarks. My journey as a strategy leader here has been tightly coupled with the growth of Extramarks and the fast evolving landscape of EdTech in India and globally. So this journey started way back when we had to identify what are the future growth opportunities for Extramarks, be it within the Indian market or even looking at international expansion. With the rapidly evolving consumer behavior such as student learning patterns, we felt there was a clear need to offer something which is much more integrated, which is much more disruptive and is going to create a long-lasting positive impact on the education ecosystem. And that is where my journey started on. So what should be the future roadmap that Extramarks should take as an organization, which also aligns very well with our long-term vision of creating positive impact across the education ecosystem. So I started off my professional journey primarily working as a strategy consultant in the education domain, and I joined Extramarks as a strategy advisor, but gradually my role has also evolved into overseeing the execution of a lot of the key strategic initiatives. So the role of the strategy teams in organizations and startups has evolved considerably, from primarily looking at more of an outsider role to creating a high-level plan of how the organization can grow, or creating a very high-level plan in terms of some of the growth opportunities. Strategy teams today are an integral part to the growth journey of any organization. Similarly, for Extramarks, the role of strategy has evolved from looking at what is there in the market outside to creating a very scalable plan of how can we go and grab that market opportunity, as well as how constantly battle and come out victorious from the day-to-day challenges that the organization faces. So the primary role of the strategy team is to assist in terms of charting a clear path forward for the organization. To do so, we conduct extensive market research. We are always up to date in terms of what is happening in the market, what are the opportunities that are emerging from the changing market landscape, and we work very closely with all the stakeholders of the organization, be it the product team, be it the sales team, be it the academics team or any of the technology functions, to create an execution plan of how are we going to grab this opportunity, of how are we going to grow profitably and more sustainably. The strategy team also works very closely with the management and the investors in terms of monitoring the progress and the growth, and in terms of course correcting our action on an ongoing basis. The other important role that the strategy team plays is to bring together the various departments and the various functions to very clearly communicate across the organization what is the vision of the organization, what role each of the departments has to play in order for this goal to be successfully achieved, what are the capabilities that we all together need to strive towards, and how do we face any imminent risks which are there in the market. A lot of our work focuses on managing or directing the long-term growth plan. However, we also work very closely in terms of empowering our other teams and departments to handle any short-term challenges that come out. So from a strategy perspective, our framework is to keep our long-term strategy agile or flexible enough to cater to any short-term challenges that arise out of any market disruption or policy changes or any other unforeseen circumstances. So the way we balance short-term planning is by very clearly monitoring the success parameters or the goals that the organization had set for ourselves, very closely monitoring the ecosystem, and if there are any major changes in the ecosystem which will create any hindrance in terms of achievement of our short-term objectives, then we act as the advisory body for the larger teams or the departments, guiding them on to how to address this change effectively and building capabilities within these teams to champion the short-term challenges. To measure the success of any of the strategic initiatives, the primary levers that we look at is one, definitely customer success, right? How has the customer responded to the changes or to the innovation that we have brought up? The second key measure of success of our strategic initiatives is how fast are we growing and are we growing sustainably in the market or not? To me, a great leader needs to have a great vision. The vision should be powerful enough to inspire the entire organization towards the larger purpose for which the organization was created. So, the second quality that I feel is very essential in leadership is the ability to identify and nurture the right set of talent, to be able to provide to them the right environment to grow in, so that each of them can then become the future leaders for the organization.